Hi everyone, welcome back to Light Trading with Golden Girl today. Hi Malik, welcome back. Nice to see you again. And today we will start to trade real time, at the gold market together once again. Last week I had a trip, so I cannot live stream with you on Wednesday and Friday as usual. However, the signal is still updated according to my gold trading plan. And we got a lot victories. Yeah, victory signal. So that's why if you want to trade successfully with me, welcome to my channel on Telegram. Hi Niyosha, welcome back to my live trading today. I'm so missed you guys. Hi Azim. Hi Shahi. All right. So as you can see on the chart, that gold price is gained as of 43.51. Yeah, 43.51 and gain a very strong bullish momentum in the early Asian session until now, right? Even though it's had a strong bearish reaction last Friday. However, today trading market gained a very impressive bullish momentum. That it shows the determination of the big players to push the gold price heading up strongly. And if you are trading with my signals, according to my gold trading plan, so congratulations everyone for continuous victories in today's session. All right, and last week, even though I do not live stream to trade real time with you because of my business, however, in my VAB signal group, I keep on update a new signals for every VAB members. And I receive a lot of feedbacks that you guys gain profit. When you trade with me. So, may I know that where are you watching from today? Where are you watching my live stream from today, my friends? And saying hello to me. Yeah, just saying hello in the beginning of my live stream today first. Wow, Dubai, very wealthy country. Luxury. Yeah, Dubai. Very impressive when I heard this name, this country names. However, we need to be careful, okay? Always stay alert and reminder for risk management lesson, all right? How about you guys? Where are you watching my live stream from? And come to Dubai. Yeah, in the near future, I will come to Dubai. Yeah, that's it. I will put it in my wish list. All right. Thank you so much for your invitation. Thank you so much, Noreen BB. And if you follow my VIP signal group today, just a few minutes ago when I just before I start my live stream, we had a successful sell signal at 43.40 at to 43.42. And now it's heading around 50 pips so far. So congratulations all the VIP members that you gained this successful and impressive signal. Wow, thank you so much for your lovely invitation, Shahil. Hi, Nawa. Hello, welcome back. All right, so we are watching below support zone at 43.24 to 43.26. Yeah, because this bullish candlestick pattern is forming a fair value gap below here, and this is a platform like a support zone, right? A stable platform. So we will watch the reaction of gold price at this zone. And now, yeah, I'm still holding the open position for sell signal around here for 50 to 53 or 52. All right, this is the sell signal that we gain a profit. Yeah, running profit at the moment. Sideline last few months. Oh, I see. So always remember to control your capital, trading capital with risk management lesson. 1 to 2% rule for each layers or each trading, okay, not each signal. And um besides that, if you can follow enough the signal that I post in the VAB signal group, it will help you to increase your winning rate. All right, trading is probability, so we need to spend time if you want to make money from this market. So earning money is not easy at all. Yeah, it's not easy at all. So yeah, we have to spend our time. And the most difficult things about the signal that I already handle it for you. And you just spend your time, enter the signal, and follow it closely. Do the risk management closely to every trade you are in, and don't trading too much for one signal. Okay, don't open a lot of position when you trade for one signal. So if you can follow it day by day, yeah, day by day, step by step, you can increase your trading efficient. Hi Shahid. Oh, is this my first time to see you say hello to me? Is this your first time watching Nova Scalper live stream, my friend? Rayan. Hi, Asakun. Welcome back, my friends. Oh, yeah, I know exactly. Indeed, because this is my first time I see your name. Yeah, I remember. I remember the familiar name that everyone watching my live stream regularly. So I hope that you can subscribe me, and yeah, together we trade news, trade gold market together. Yeah, in the future. All right. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe and like today's video on the YouTube of Nova Scalper, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Shiran. Hi, Noah. Give me advice about trading a newbie. A newbie. All right. I always encourage everyone that you just explore and learn about this market, this financial market. I wonder if you trade stocks or crypto before or not. If you did, yeah, forex market is similar. However, it is more severe. Yeah, it's more severe because of the speed, especially when we trade in a New York session, is super steady. So if you want to get used to trading gold market, yeah, forex, especially the gold market, you need to trade. You need to practice trading on your demo account first. Yeah, to get used to the order, the action, and the usage when you use any order, okay, on your trading platform like MT5 or MT4. And I recommend you to trade on the MT5 All right, it will help you a lot and it's more useful when you trade on MT4. MT4 platform is the old one, so it's old fashioned. Yeah, and it's less features that supportive for your trading performance. All right, so MT5 trading platform, or if you trade on your desktop, yeah, let's download the MT5 trading on your laptop or desktop. All right, and you can watch the video, yeah, the short video I upload on my channel, yeah, on my YouTube channel, and scan the QR code I insert on the left side of the corner. And every day I will upload my gold trading plan and also other news, yeah, special news that affect to gold and forex markets like currency pairs. All right, and also you can find a report for crypto, yeah, crypto report analysis on my channel as well, and absolutely free. Yeah, because this is my community. I built nearly 3 years. Yeah, nearly 3 years, and absolutely free. All right. I also share with you the lesson. Yeah, the lesson for newbie, how to calculate the loss and profit. All right, if you enter any signal, and MT5 trading platform will help you to do it. Okay, if you enter your entry and scroll the line for the stop loss or take profit on the screen, it will automat automatically calculated, yeah, your loss or your profit. All right, so if you want to receive the video that I instruct you how to trade on your MT5 trading platform, welcome to send me the direct message on Telegram. All right, I will send you the video. And in the beginning of your trading journey, let's practice on your demo account first. All right. After a while, you are familiar to this application. You can open a trading account. Yeah, live trading account. However, start from small capital. Okay, small capital first, because your emotion when you trade on demo account is totally different when you trade on the real trading live trading account. All right, this is your real money. Yeah, real money. So let's trade on your demo account first, and then start with a small capital. Okay, and try to trade in the micro lot. Yeah, try to trade in a micro lot first. All right. So that's just my experience from the severe lessons that I used to had in the past. Yeah, in the past, because I was greedy indeed in the beginning of my trading journey, and I paid the price for my greed. So now I always remind every newbie, especially the beginners, that you are watching my live stream on YouTube. I always remind everyone that be disciplined and, yeah, remember, learn by heart for risk management lesson. All right. Thank you so much for listening for my sharing. Thank you, Shama. Every day when I try to live stream like this on YouTube, this is the chance for me to interact, and, yeah, we can share our story together, yeah, mutually. So you can listen to my severe experience before I became a long-term trader, right? So anything that is dangerous and discourage disadvantage for you, and easily get you in the trap of this financial market, I will always remind you to stay aware of it. Okay, buy set stop loss for every trade you are in, and Yeah, trading small. Okay. How to break down. Hi Noah. Yeah, thank you so much for your very long adjective. Yeah, that's is very impressive word, English word that I have learned so far. Thank you so much. And Shahid, you had a question. How do you break down a trade, like entry and stop loss, which time frame? All right, so this is a very common question that I used to receive. All right, when I live stream. And okay, so because this is your first time to watch my live stream, so I'd like to share this again. So let everyone you can understand how I set up a signal. All right, and just start from big time frame. Yeah, to have a broader view for your analysis. Like gold market on Sunday. On Sunday, I usually observe 4 hour time frame to see, yeah, to see the range of the price movement of the week, of the whole week. After that, I use some indicators like EMA or SI to identify the market trend. And some besides that, I also use the trend line. Yeah, trend line and identifies the support, key support, and resistance zone on the chart. Also, there will be some tools that it will help you to measure the length, the predicted length of the wave of the market of the price by using the Fibonacci. Yeah, Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci retracement. That is the tool for you can use it to measure the prediction. Yeah, prediction price in the near future. All right. So just starting from your daily D1 to 4 hour, and then go to the smaller time frame like 1 hour. All right. So you can see the detail, more detail of gold price movement when you go into the smaller time frame. And when I can identify the significant or key support or resistance zone or trend line like this one. Yeah, I just note for you the support and resistance zone like the one I note for you on the chart. And then you can see I can connect a trend line. Yeah, a trend line like this. So here we have the prediction. Yeah, for the gold price movement. All right, it just cross, cross below, break down the trend line. So it indicates for the short term of bearish momentum, right? However, it have the support zone above, below here, below here. So this is indicate for the recover of the market right now. Yeah. So that is what is moving in a 1 hour time frame. All right. And for my own scalping signal, yeah, on the scalping signal, I usually use the 5 minute. Yeah, most of the time, most of the signal that I set up, I use 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minute time frame. And also some will belong to 1 hour. Some will be at 15 or 30 minutes. It depends to the area that the price is having the reaction at the moment. All right. So generally, yeah, generally, you must be observe the whole market, the broader view of the market from the bigger time frame like D1. Yeah, D1 to 48 to 18. And then you go into the smaller one like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 5 minutes. All right. So, and sometimes other indicators will help you a lot to identify the entry zone. All right. EMA, like EMA. This is my favorite. Yeah, my favorite indicators that I usually do it to set up the signal. And of course, it requires you use another, right? Another tools like Fibonacci or key support and resistance zone. All right. And if you want to understand and remember for the trading, for the strategy that I usually use it, because not always like a formula. I can use flexibility. Yeah, I can use it flexible. And if you want to understand and remember for my strategy, welcome to my VIP signal group. Yeah, every day I will post a brief report how I can set up, which strategy that I use, and what is the technical analysis that I use to set up the winning signal. All right. And you can also join the private lesson that's only for VIP members. All right. I will share with you my trading skill and the lesson and my experience, the secret. Yeah, only VIP members will know about it. All right. So this is take you long time to understand and be patient. Okay, be patient for your trading journey. So is this okay for you, my explanation, my friend? I'm not sure that you are still in my live stream now, Rayjan Shahid. Hi, Irfan. Welcome back. Hi, Bear. Long time no see you. Trend should be monitored daily and 4 hour, marking key levels and trend line like stop loss. Yeah, indeed. And for the scalping signal, now I set up the risk reward ratio. Okay, so I follow the risk reward ratio to set up the stop loss. And it's usually 50 pips for the stop loss, which means one layer you enter the trade. And if it fell, unfortunately, you will lose around 50 pips. All right. And another key tips that you need to remember if you want to control your emotion effectively before you enter any trade, you must, yeah, identify your loss limitation first. Yeah, you need to calculate your loss first before you calculate your profit. Why? Because when you already know about the number, the number you may lose if the signal fell, your brain was set up and prepared, well prepared for your preparation. Okay, it's not a surprising anymore, and it will easier for you and relax. You can relax. All right, keep calm and relax when you set up, uh, or when you enter any layer. All right. And just follow the risk management. All right, follow the risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1. That is one. Your winning and your losing is balanced at least. All right. And for the newbie, the first thing you need to remember and the first thing you need to learn is how you can preserve your money. Yeah, you can preserve your money. It's not the way you have to learn to make money. No, it's not. You have to learn how you can preserve your money first. Yeah, preserve your money first. And also in this forex market, there will be some definition. Yeah, definition relating to pip loss, leverage. Yeah, leverage. And machine call, there will be some meaning you need to remember, because this is the basic one you need to remember, and it will affect to your trading result efficiently. All right, and also one definition is about spread and swap. All right, spread and swap. I usually share with you about this lesson. Yeah, the lesson for beginner. And you can watch this again on my YouTube channel. All right? Yeah, you get my point. All right, so that is very correct. You can say that again. Managing a funds and risk management. Yeah, 100 points. Okay, so I hope that everyone you can control your emotion and your greed when you start to trade any signal. All right, and if you want to trade with relax and chill when you trade, just identify the loss before you trade. All right, your brain well prepared for the loss, and nothing can cost you, can challenge you anymore. Okay, and the stop loss is a shield to protect your capital. It's not something is very creepy and so scary for you. Okay, this is the shield to prevent the slippage and the huge loss when you try to revenge the market. Okay, so anyway, control yourself. All right, and yeah, once again, I would like to repeat that I do not recommend you to copy trade. Okay, yeah, so let's go. I believe you can do it and become a professional trader in the near future as long as you can be disciplined. All right, and you can refer my qualified signal on my VIP channel group. Yeah, VIP signal group, and also on my channel as well. Yeah, every day I prepare the gold trading plan for everyone. You can watch it and set the limit order. All right, limit order for the signal. And remember to delete all the pending order after after the end of New York session. Okay? Because every day, I always prepare for gold trading plan. Yeah, thank you so much. Hello, Sifi. Thank you so much for your like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you, thank you. And guys, I could like to set up the signal right now. So are you interested to trade with me at the moment, my friend? If yes, let's comment yes. Hurry up and not to miss the chance. Yeah, the chance into daylight trading. All right. Come on, let's spam, let's spam, let's spam. Yes, yes, yes. So that I can send you the signal right now. Okay, so now gold price I will set up. There will be a resistance above here. So that's why I set up a sell signal. Okay, so now everyone, 41 to 42 will be your entry zone at the moment. So now, okay, start running down. 10 pips, 10 pips is running. Okay, and this is my formula for you to have the take profit. 30 pips, close the part of the trade, all right? Wow, it was quickly. 10 pips running already, everyone. Near 30 pips. Very fast because we are about to the New York session, so it's gonna be fast for your trade. Yeah, for the speed of the gold price movement. All right. So are you in? Are you in this signal, everyone? Which chord you take a trade? What do you mean chord, my friend? Noah, what do you mean chord? Is it a reason? Reason for me to decide this sell signal? All right. So may I know your entry zone, my friend? Yeah, our signal was already moved, already running profit right now. So congratulations, my friends, for our first 20 pips profit at the moment. All right, so it's still heading down when it touched to EMA 34. All right, and before that, we also had a resistance zone. Oh, this candle. Price action is very important for scalpers like us because it tells us the story. Yeah, this is the language of trading. Price action. And when you see this candle is forming a very long upper wick, so it shows you that it's got a rejection of the market from buyers. Okay, from the buyers, and it's also forming a lower low. Yeah, lower low like this. So in the short term, gold price will facing with the bearish reaction because it's already gained a lot of high. Yeah, it's already gained a high price in today Asian and London session. So now in the New York one, investors is trying to take profit, and that's why gold is facing with a strong selling pressure in the short term. All right. So that's why I set up this sell signal. So always remember to set the stop loss order, okay, my friend? And this gain around near 30 pips already. It's just hit near 30 pips. Okay, it's heading back to our entry. Yeah, it's heading back to entry. So anyone late, you can enter again. All right. It's still under the bearish reaction in the short term in today's New York session. Actually, that now is the overlapping time between the London and New York session. So it's gonna be surprising for us. Sometimes it's moving sideways, but sometimes the market will move in high volatility. We don't know when. Yeah, we don't know. We cannot predict exactly the movement of the market. We can only do the analysis. Yeah, and our prediction. And everything is has loss because trading is probability. Okay, not any holy grounds can find. Yeah, can find in the trading, especially in the gold market. So stop loss is the shield. Yeah, I repeat it again. Stop loss is a shield to protect your capital when you trade. All right. And for a signal, for one signal, I usually set the stop loss around 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips. All right. Anyone re-enter again for the entry 41? Everyone. Even though it recovered in the short term, however, it touched to the trend line that I just draw for you on the chart, and now it's still facing with the selling pressure at the moment. Okay, Shifi. And have you followed Nova Scalper yet? My friends, have you followed me yet? It's could be a big support for me. Yeah, to set up the live stream like this, and yeah, we can trade real time together and bring you profit. That is my happiness. And yeah, I'm very grateful if you click to the subscribe button and like for today's live stream video on YouTube. Thank you so much, my friends. And now we're still watching for the movement of gold. Okay, in the 5 minutes, it's still struggling between the buyers and seller at the moment. Yeah, it's struggling between the buyers and sellers. So be patient and spend your time. Okay, spend your time to observe and watch the chart because it's gonna be lag or it's just a blink of an eye to hit your take profit. Yeah, very quickly. So yeah, you should spend your time to watch your trading platform. Okay, and your trading result as well if you have time. Okay, and my advice for you is that you shouldn't enter too much layers if you are not familiar to trade like this. Yeah, it's very pressure because we don't know when sleep mate is gonna be happened. It's gonna be Friday, it's gonna be bank holiday or Monday, yeah, or anytime when we trade. So in order to avoid the sleep mate, remember to enter enough entry zone and and set the stop loss. Okay, set the stop loss. Looking for the broker that provides you a spread, yeah, reasonable spread fee will help you. Will also help you to improve your trading result as well. Because there's a lot of case study like this. Mine, yeah, my trading account open with Bull Prime broker, Bull Prime broker. That it didn't hit the stop loss because it's just one pips left. It's gonna hit my stop loss. Yeah, it had a few weeks ago. However, you trade with other brokers. I don't know, like XNS or other broker that it hit your stop loss. So that's why, yeah, I share with you honestly, choosing a reliable broker will help you to improve your trading, yeah, trading result. And sometimes it will save you from the stop loss. Yeah, it will. Okay, so I spent more than a year to use the Boot Prime service. Yeah, Boot Prime service, and I really satisfied for their service. Okay, so if you want to have the advice if you are looking for a reliable broker because there's a lot of scammers out there. Yeah, fake brokers and scammers. You can listen to my recommendation. Okay, and now I'm sharing with you that I'm using Blue Prime, yeah, to trade more than a year. Yeah, more than a year at the moment. Okay, so I really hope that you can avoid the scammers. Yeah, because all our purpose that we need to make money, right? We all want to make money in this financial market, obviously, right? So this is the reliable broker that I can recommend you to use it. And one benefit for anyone, open the live trading account under my link. Yeah, I will support you to get free VIP access to my VIP members, VIP signal group. All right, as long as you can meet the level of the deposit, yeah, deposit money of amount of money. Okay, so I will allow you get you free for VIP signal access. Okay, so it's very good and benefit for you, right? You get the good service from a reliable broker, and you get the benefit from my support as well. Okay, so it's nothing else can deny this benefit. All right, so let's focus back on our trading chart at the moment. And now it's heading down to 39.6 at the moment, my friends. Okay, so it's heading to our first 30 pips profit in today's live trading session. Congratulations, everyone. 30 pips profit. Lucky Monday. Yeah, together, let's type Lucky Monday together. Yeah, touch word, touch word. Lucky Monday to get the luck for a lucky start trading week. Okay. Lucky Monday, lucky Monday. Where are you? Are you watching my live stream now, my friends? Let's interact a bit together. Oh, why not everyone interact with me right now? I'm not sure that you are still watching my live stream or not. Hello, where's everybody? Happy Monday. Yeah, happy Monday. I wish that every day is going to be happy for everyone. Okay, 30 pips, you can close a part of a trade and hold the rest for the further take profit, for the bigger take profit, okay? That's just the spell. Every scalper that you need to remember. Close a part. Yeah, close a part. And New York session will start at 1 p.m. according to France time. Okay, according to France time. So now I told you this is the overlapping time between the London and New York session. So mostly that the market will move in the sideways and narrow range. However, we can set up, we can set up a qualified scalping signal to gain a significant profit if if you can capitalize the market movement when the market is overlapping time is in overlapping time. Now I'm living in France with my family, let's and half Asian girl, so you can see my Asians is different a bit from others. Okay, half Asian girl. All right, in the New York session, lower your trading volume and do not enter too much layer for one signal, okay? Because it's gonna be moved quickly. At the moment, there's only 16 like on my like live stream today, so I would like to receive more like. Yeah, click to the like button, everyone. Thank you so much because we just gained a qualified scalping signal for our first 30 pips. Even though that the market is moving slowly, yeah, it's nearly moved sideways and the narrow range at the moment. However, I can set up a sell signal for you and gaining around 30 pips profit. So it's gonna be very happy. Yeah, I'm very happy if you can like to today live stream and subscribe me to on the Telegram channel and also on YouTube. All right, thank you so much, my friends. Which indicators used for session? Most of the time, I used EMA. Yeah, EMA. And you can find this name. Now, this is the script name of my favorite. Yeah, my favorite. Oh, just deleted EMA of Eric Huang. Eric. Yeah, multiple EMA. This is the script name you need to remember because you can see that there's a lot of EMA indicators. And after clicking to this script name, you click to the button and change the inputs into this value. All right, you can take the screenshot and adjust it on your trading platform later, on your trading view later. Okay, so this is the value, and 3489 is belong to Fibonacci levels. Yeah, that is the scientist Fibonacci level, and 200 is the reliable number for the length of EMA because it is calculated by the closing price of previous 200 candle. Okay, and for the style, it's just relating to the color and the line, the depth of the line, as long as you want. Yeah, you can choose whatever you want. Okay, the thickness and line style. Okay, the color, but I didn't change anything on the style. So yeah, just change the input value only. So you will have the secret weapons EMA on your trading view. Yeah, for the sessions I use mostly EMA, and sometimes I use with RSI relative strength index also. Okay, to see the market is in overbought or oversold relative strength index. Now it's moving, heading down below 50, right? Below 50. However, if you watch broader, broadly, you can see it's nearly moving sideways. Yeah, like I told you, it's struggling between the sellers and buyers at the moment. So it keep on forming a dragonfly doji at the moment. Yeah, it just keep on having the bullish reaction when it touched to 39. Okay, so now we will wait. We will wait for the further reaction, and you can keep opening a good entry zone like 41. Yeah, 41. Now the RS online is still move below 50. Yeah, so it indicates for the market is under the selling pressure at the moment, and when it belong to the overbought or oversold zone, if you can combine with order price action, price action, notification, confirmation of the market, like engulfing bin bar or bullish bin bar or Marubozu, or doji, it will tell you the meaning of the further movement of the market. Yeah, price action is the language, is the vocabulary of trading. Okay, so in my YouTube channel, I prepared a video relating to the price action, and there's a lot of patterns. Yeah, candlestick patterns. If you want to learn about the vocabularies of the trading market, you can watch those videos, and this is very helpful for you. Trust me, it's not waste your time. All right, and if you have any question, you can ask me now, or you can send me direct message on Telegram. Okay, so I will try to explain and reply all of your question. Okay. And now in today live stream, on Monday, once again we had a profitable scalping signal, even though that the market is still moving in the sideways range. However, we can happy together, right? Happy together. So let's take a look in the bigger time frame like 1 hour to see the next move of the market in today's New York session. Alright, so it's got a bullish reaction after touch to 43 and 55. 35, 43, 35. And yeah, now it's heading back to our entry zone once again. Yeah, it still belong to the entry. Yeah. Even though that bullish momentum is heading back to the market right now. Okay, we have another entry around 43 or 42. Okay, enter enough signal. Yeah, enter enough signal. And we'll pay attention to the resistance at 51. Yeah, 43, 51 again. And below here we have 43, 33. That is gonna be a range in the New York session, in today's New York session. All right. So now our signal is still at the entry zone. Okay, still at the entry zone. No worries for this. And if you open any bad position at around 41, after you enter 43, entry 43, 42, you can close the bad position around 41. Yeah, to avoid your stressful when you enter uh, some layers. Yeah, this action will help you to avoid the stressful. Trading is just a psychology game. So anyone can control your trading psychology. Best, you are the winner. And now I'm here to show you some tips that you can manage this. Okay, just advised you to close the bad position and now it's heading back to 42. There's still some resistance around 43. 43. US session is bullish. Okay, yeah, that is your opinion because now you can see that in the 1 hour time frame that the main bullish now, the main momentum now is the bullish one, right? Anyway, let's bet for this signal once again. Yeah, enough entry. Okay, now it's heading higher than our entry, so do not greedy and do not trade. Overtrade. Okay, do not overtrade. At 43, 41. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Stop loss will be set at 46. I just revised. I just advised you to close the order at 41. Okay, so let's heading back to 1 minute of 1 hour candle. Okay, so now you can see the bullish bullish momentum is coming back to dominating the market, so you can close at entry. Yeah, close at entry, everyone. Or minus 10 pips, minus 10 pips. We can have another signal later. Yeah, the bullish momentum is coming back and dominating the market at the moment, so let's wait for its adjustment. Okay, adjustment to close at entry. Anyway, having 30 pips in the beginning of the day, yeah, of the week is a small gift. Yeah, small gift from me to send everyone. Yeah, it's just heading down to 42, 42. Okay, so you can close it at entry to minimize your loss. Just break from 43 and gaining its recover. It's easily it's easily fill this gap above here, 44 to 45. Yeah, just breakout point from the trend line and resistance zone. However, it's gonna take us some time to observe the momentum before it's heading to a higher level. Okay, so you can watch the entry, watch the trading view and close at entry or minus 10 pips to protect your capital. All right. And around about 5 minutes left. Yeah, I will end today live stream. So anyone have the question for me? Okay, so it's heading down to 42. 42. Close at entry, everyone. Or minus 10 pips. Yeah, before it's heading to the higher level. Anyone want to ask me any questions? Did you close the trade at 42, my friends? Yeah, when it's heading down, it's the time for you to close the trade, not the time for you to enter more trading. All right, so before waiting for your question, I will take a look at the BTC. Okay, so after a announcement of Fed about 25-point rate cut, yeah, BTC had a short-term recover, right? Short-term recover, and it's now forming a higher low at the moment. Higher lows. Yeah, so you can see this trend line. This trend line will be the movement of BTC, and it's going to be heading to a new level. Yeah, this is going to be a channel for BTC moving in today trading session or until tomorrow, the Asian session. And this level, yeah, you can observe it, this channel will be the border. Okay, will be the border of the sell signal and the buy signal. And if there are any reaction, any confirmation candle that is breakout or breakdown strongly from those channels, you can prepare yourself a strategy that's suitable. Okay, suitable for the movement of BTC. Okay, so just follow closely to this channel of BTC. in today's trading session and tomorrow until tomorrow. 88,700 until to 97, yeah, 97,600. All right. Nearly 10K, nearly $10,000 distance. So just follow the channel closely. Yeah, if breakdown, is this the signal for you to enter a sell signal? Sell order is heading down to below support around 982, nearly 84,000, 84,000. And for its breakout is will heading to a higher level at 100, 100,000 and 800. Okay, so you can draw this channel on your trading view and follow it closely on a 4-hour time frame as well. Okay, because in a smaller time frame, the chart is not clear for us to have the analysis, right? So it's gonna be better for us to observe BTC market in a bigger time frame, like 4 hour. That is my brief analysis for BTC trading in today's session. Okay, so it's heading back to 42, my friends. So it's time for you to close at entry with a suitable right zone. 42. Okay, so let me zoom it out for you. In a 4-hour time frame, it's formed a doji, yeah, a doji candle at the sideways range. After an uptrend and a doji forming, nearly forming in a 4-hour time frame. So we'll wait for this candle finished to establish, to measure, to predict a future movement of gold. Because now it's still struggling between the buyers and seller at the moment, and the key level, like I note with you, just note to you, is 43.51. All right, 43.51. If it want to break out and heading to a higher level at this zone to conquer the previous peak at 69, it needs to break out from 43.51 and 51. Okay. And in a smaller time frame, like 1 minute, it's already break out the current trend line that I draw for you on the chart. Okay, the bullish momentum is now coming back to dominating the market at the moment. So when it's decrease, okay, when the price decrease, is the time for you to close the trade. Okay. So remember, and good luck everyone for your trading result. All right, and yeah, now it's time to say goodbye and see you next Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today, and don't forget to subscribe and like for today's video. Thank you and have a lovely day. See you.